You're welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move your migrated Pi from the migrated balance into your available balance so that if you want to sell or if you want to send it out from your wallet, you can do that, okay? On the screen here is my balance dashboard where we have the unverified balance, which is this, the transferable balance and the migrated balance. Now, this is what we are paying attention to. Okay, now in this wallet, I have received the first set of Pi, which have been transferred to my wallet, and I've also gotten the second migration. Now, sometimes you will discover that some amount of your Pi have been migrated, but the problem is when you go to your wallet section, you will be surprised because you may not see the balance therein. Okay, now that is why I'm creating this video, to show you what to do about that. Now let us go over to the wallet section. So this is my wallet section, and here you can see the total balance that have been migrated after deduction of some charges, maybe the release charge or whatever, maybe it's transfer charges. All right, now here we have my available balance. This is just what I have left in my wallet, but then this is not the only amount of Pi that I have in my wallet, because some amount has just been released to me. All right, now what you're going to do in order for this the balance which was released to you to reflect to your available balance, you go ahead and hit on this lockup section. Now when you get here, you are going to see the amount of Pi that you have in your wallet, which you can move from where it is right now to the available balance so that you can sell it off. Now on the screen here is I have 573 pieces of Pi. Okay, and as you can see, this is 2nd of July 2022. This is exactly when I locked the Pi, and it has gotten to that stage. The time has elapsed, so right now I can move from this balance, from my lockup balance, into my available balance. And in doing that, you click on this move button here. Now here, this is what is written on the screen. Where do you want your Pi? This is the available balance, duration 3 years. Okay, this is it, and the move fee is 0.01. all right, so in order to proceed, I will just have to move it by clicking on move to available balance. Now I want you to take note of this. Whenever your Pi is released, okay, pay attention to this. Whenever your Pi is released, it will have to stay for the duration of the lockup period which you have set. Okay, if you have locked up to claim maybe in 2 years time, 2026, 2027, 2028, depending on how your setup is, once it is released to you, once the Pi core team releases that number of Pi that you have locked up, then you will have to wait for that duration, all right, for that period of time that you have locked it up. And once it gets to that period of time that you've locked it up, then you can now move it. As you can see, just as I've shown you earlier, I locked mine about it's over 3 years ago now. Okay, and now the time has elapsed and I can move it. As you can see, the duration of my lockup is 3 years, which is written here. All right, and this is the lockup until period. All right, so, and this time has already reached, so I can now move it. So I'll now go ahead and hit on this move to available balance section. Then I will wait for some seconds while it moves. Now it says you have successfully moved the amount to your available balance. Okay, now I'll click on the dismiss button. Now as you can see, it is no more here. Then you go back to the wallet section. Now here we used to have 14 here, but it has increased to 588. Okay, now the quantity of Pi that you see here is, this is the one they have released before, the one they released to me before. All right, that is during the first migration, and the one they released at the second migration, all sum up to 633. I have already withdrawn some from this wallet, and the total that is left is this 588. So if I want to send it out from this wallet now, I can do that easily. So let me quickly show you how to send it out if you want to send it out maybe to any exchange and you want to sell it off. For this illustration, I'm going to make use of my BitGet exchange. Okay, now this is the interface of my BitGet exchange. I'll go ahead and click on the Add Funds section. Then from here, I'm going to select Deposit Crypto, which is the first option there. Then making use of the search bar, I'm going to type Pi, okay, Pi. Then I'll select it, which is this first one here. Now I'm going to, once it loads, get the deposit address of Pi. Now here's my deposit address. So I'll go ahead and click on the copy icon to copy this wallet address. Then I'll move back to my wallet section, that is my Pi wallet section. Now here we are. Okay, I'll go ahead and click on pay or request. All right, then I'll select the second option, which says manually add wallet address. Then here under the wallet address section, I'm going to paste in the wallet address. Then I'm going to impute the quantity of Pi that I want to send. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to just send 5. And while sending, please you take note of the fee. The fee is 0.015. All right. If you want to save this address, you can click on this button to save it to your contact address, so that next time if you're coming back to send to that same wallet, you just have to select it without going to the exchange to copy the address again. All right, so once everything is checked, you go ahead and click on the send button. All right, now you read this, you're about to send 5 Pi, okay, the fee, and you're sending to, this is the wallet address. All right, so once you are done, just go ahead and click on the confirm button. Then you give it some seconds to complete the transaction. As you can see on the page, it says transfer succeeded. Please refer to the history page for the full history of transaction. All right, now we go back. As you can see, it has there is a deduction already from our available balance. We used to have 588 thereabouts. Now we have 583. That means the 5 Pi has been deducted, and this is the transaction. Here you can check the date. So guys, that is how you can move your Pi once it is released from the lockup balance or from your mainnet balance to your available balance. Okay, but before doing this, like I said before, you should make sure that your Pi balance, the one you lock up, it has passed through the lockup period so that you can be able to have access to it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, as I'm going to be bringing you updates about Pi and other crypto related topics. Thank you for watching once again. I hope to see you in my next video.